Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday, May the 15th, 2024, and we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the afternoon, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Alright, so let me continue with this one. 8539. This will be 8539. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot for a three stars puzzle. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this a 3 stars or 0 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 9, 4. Okay, cannot fill this yet. So, 6, 6. Need a 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes at there. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, okay. Here, the other 3 missing numbers in this big square. Numbers 1 is missing. Wow. The 2 is missing. 1, 2. And we have a 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing here. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 8. 3, 4, 9. 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 7, 7. 8 ones. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. And now, 1, 1. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 3 and 9. I'm missing 3 and 9. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So row between only place level 3 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row. For number, I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in that column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be here. We have here 3, 4, 9. So this box should be a 9. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Then, need a 2 here. Need a 1. 2, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And then, let me see. 5, need a 9, 9, 9. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 9 in this big square should be there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 3, 7. 7. 1 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 2 and 8 are left here, 2 and 8. We have a 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the only place left with 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, okay. 3 and a 4. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Oh! 6, 6, need a 6 there. Made a mistake. We have a double 5 here. Maybe I need to switch those numbers. So here should be the 6, here should be the 5. Then this should be the 6. Yeah. This should be the 5. Okay, 5, 5. Here should be the 5. Well, and here should be the 6. 6, 6, 6. 5, 5, 5. 7, 7, 7, 7. 11 minutes. Well, with a small mistake, but definitely a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.